Hey there, how are you? When building apps, you should always consider the user experience and try to make your apps as user friendly as possible. My name is Jorge Daniel, and in this video, I will tell you about cascading lookups and also throw in a business rule to further enhance the UX. But first, let's see what I'm talking about. Take this form here to enter support cases. It holds three lookups: account, contact, and service agreement. And while there are many accounts and many contacts and also a couple of service agreements, once you choose the account, you only want to see related records, right? And this is what you get here. So selecting a datum will filter contacts on that account and also filter service agreements. This is set in the form, so let's take a look. In the form, selecting the contact lookup, you need to go to the filtering section and set this as enabled for filtering by related role. Then you set the relationship in the current table, in this case with the field account, and then the relationship that will filter what the user will see. In the contact table, in the contact field, you could, for instance, choose to show only the primary contact. As for service agreements, it's mostly the same dynamics, filter by related rows. Account is the column in this form that on which service agreements will depend on, and then it will show you service agreements related to that account. Now, one thing you may notice is that you can select a contact before selecting an account. And the same thing happens with service agreements. So let's say you are selecting this one for AdventureWorks, but then you go and select Alpine Ski House. We could argue that it makes much more sense to first select the account, but we can also make the user experience better and configure a business rule to prevent bad data. Take a look at this business rule right here. This business rule is validating whether or not the account field contains data. And if it does, it's going to unlock the contact field so you can edit, and also unlock the service agreement field. On the other hand, if account does not contain data, then contact will be locked and service agreement will be locked as well. Please also notice that if account does not contain data, the contact field will be cleared and so will the service agreement. This is to handle a situation where a user selects an account but then clears that field. But let's activate this rule so we can see it in action. Activate. And Done. Back to our app. Let's refresh this. And now you can see that both contact and service agreement are locked. And once you select an account, they unlock and let you select a contact and a service agreement. But should you clear the account table or the account field, then both contact and service will also be cleared and you would have to start over. Let's select account, let's select contact, let's select service agreement. Much better now, don't you think? Let me know your thoughts on the comments below. I hope you've enjoyed this video and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you soon!